Meta thinks of us as their biggest competitor, but I don't think they're a company that's great at innovation. We understand a lot of things that they don't about what it takes to succeed at that. Look, I've heard that Meta thinks of us as their biggest competitor. Someone that used to work at Meta said to me that like in the rest of the world, people think of ChatGPT as a Google replacement, but in Meta, people think of ChatGPT as a Facebook replacement because they talk to it in a way that otherwise, and they like it more. Their current AI efforts have not worked as well as they've hoped. They started making these like giant offers to, a lot of people on our team, like $100 million signing bonuses, more than that comp per year.
It's crazy.
Actually, it is crazy. I'm really happy that at least so far, none of our best people have decided to take them up on that. I think that people sort of look at the two paths and say, all right, OpenAI's got a really good shot, a much better shot at actually delivering on super intelligence, and also may eventually be the more valuable company. But I think the strategy of a ton of upfront guaranteed comp, and that being the reason you tell someone to join, like really the degree to which they're focusing on that and not the work and not the mission, I don't think that's going to set up a great culture. I think that there's a lot of people, and Meta will be a new one, that are saying we're just going to try to like copy OpenAI. We're going to if you look at how much a lot of these other companies' chat apps look like ChatGPT, even copying like the UI mistakes, it's crazy how much the research thing is just trying to get to where we are. I hope that we can be the best place in the world to do this kind of research. I think we built a really special culture for it. And I think that we're set up such that if we succeed at that, and a lot of people on our research team believe we will, or we have a good chance at it, then everybody will do great financially. I think it's incentive aligned with like mission first and then economic rewards and everything else flowing from that. So I think that's good. There's many things I respect about Meta as a company, but I don't think they're a company that's like great at innovation. And I think the special thing about OpenAI is we've managed to build a culture that is good at repeatable innovation. And I think we understand a lot of things that they don't about what it takes to succeed at that. But I don't know, it's been like, in some sense, I think it's been a clarifying thing for our team. Wish them luck.